this thing slow is honestly the best. Because then you can just pop it up whenever, and you just have the speed if you need it, you know. But like, just cruising nice and slow. Pop it up, relax, enjoy the weather. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Something like that. World of difference than like 12 hours ago when I was wheeling. I was wheeling like shit. I have no idea why. I'm starting to get the touch for it again, you know? Feeling good today, feeling good. Pop a little. Those potholes, bro, they scare me. Go low, look. Dude, I actually like the regen a lot. It's like braking in a way. You don't wear out your brakes as much. I don't know. I've gotten used to it. And you just do this when you want to coast. There's a cool spot I can go to here. Maybe I'll go chill here. It's not a wheelie spot, but take a nice little lookout. Dude, much better than yesterday. Yesterday I was so tense and shit. Like today, you know, just like relax, keep it up. Okay, I think it's here. Dude, it's so overgrown. I'm not even trying to like really off-road today or nothing. Let me just go up here. I only have a bit of time before I gotta go to work. Decided to get up a little earlier so I can ride. And yeah, it's a good time. Not too hot, not too cold. Just good. There she is. But did you die? That's the real question. And I'm here right now. Moto Goon is here. Holy shit. She looks good, you know? Like, small little bike. For someone like my height, I would prefer like taller bars. So maybe I'll end up doing that. I ended up putting these big foot bags on there. I think I got them on Amazon. They're for like a DRZ something. 250, DRZ 250. I believe. And they work just fine, and they're so much better for wheelies. You gotta, it's almost like you're on a flat surface. Like before, tiny little pegs. This is like a world of difference for me. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing like little mods here and there. I'm gonna need some new tires soon. And yeah, just little things. Probably handlebars next though. It's one of the things I want to do. And tires. Tires are gonna be, treads getting low. But yeah, this thing's fun as hell. We got a sick ass view here. Come here for sunsets, sunrise, whatever. But yeah, life's good. Like the channel, you know, subscribe to the channel, all that good shit. And I'll be back. Peace. We out here on the Surron. Let's ride this thing. Let's ride this thing. It's a nice early day in the morning. Not too early, but let's turn it around. Yeah. If this makes it into the video, yo, I just filmed the outro right there. So fuck it, yeah. It kind of doesn't make sense, but it makes sense to me. So we'll make it work. Dude, I wiped out here so bad one time. On the Surron, right here. It was like slippery as hell. Yeah, just a little bit of morning gooning, you know. Oh, that taco is so nice. Gen 1, wow. Gorgeous truck. Gorgeous truck. That is just fucking nice. Oh my god. Yo. Sorry guys, like, yo, I have a Tacoma and I love it. That was a Gen 1 right there and that was beautiful. Pop a little nooner. Easy turn, easy turn. Oh, not today. Let's try now. Oh, there's little potholes. I can do turns sometimes. It kind of depends on the scenario and like everything, you know. I find left turns are easier, I think. Woo! Over coast action.